Hi guys, and welcome back to another video where today we have our favorite character in Minecraft. He's called Steve. Now this will be exciting to open, but we're not going to open it right now. So this is the bigger version, and let's just look at our back. So as you see here, we have Steve. We have the Enderman, and then I think there's like some yellow cow. You got a fox right here. You got a creeper, and then you have like some skeleton wolf and the ender cow right at the corner. So let's just open it. And here you go, the Steve out of the box. Well, not actually out of the box. So here you have the crafting table. What's that? Cobblestone. So if you play Minecraft a lot, you probably know what a crafting table is and what cobblestone is. And our favorite bit, alright, Steve. Let's just open it up. He's actually amazing. Hello guys, it's nice to meet you. Oh, it looks like there's a bigger version of me. Hello. Alright, and sorry if you're talking. Got the sword. Just open it up. It's 5%. I don't know when. And here you have it. The one and only iron sword. So if you know what netherite, diamond, iron, gold, chain, leather, that's all armor. So this is an iron sword. And he doesn't actually include anything else, but he does include these. So you have Steve. Hello. You have sword. You have crafting table. And you have cobblestone. So I might craft these, so just wait a minute. So I guess that's it for you guys today. Actually, so let's do the articulation. So his head, well, it's tight on. His arms, the same. He can bend down, up and down, move his head, move his arm all the way, move his legs. And the sword, well, I don't know what it does. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment down below what we should do next, and have a good time.